All right, today I'm going to talk about the number one killer in America. And the number one killer, it's not the thing that's been being pushed for the past year, it's heart disease. And as of 2016, the latest date where we have these statistics, 630,000 people died of heart disease in 2016. That number is higher now. And what I want to share with you today and bring to your attention is something that's not really talked about by most doctors. So if you're dealing with heart disease, and this doesn't just stop with heart disease, this includes stroke, cancer, diabetes, obesity, autoimmune, all chronic disease is tied to this. And most doctors today, if you're dealing with heart disease, if you're dealing with these other things, they're telling you to eat a heart-healthy whole grain diet, which may or may not have a benefit depending on what you're currently eating. But my point is the mainstream approach is to address diet and exercise. And these things are both important, don't get me wrong. But if you get other things wrong, if you miss these other things, then diet and exercise will only get you so far. And the diet books and the diet industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Yet, guess what? Millions of people are dying of heart disease, from cancer, from diabetes, from obesity. Millions of people have autoimmune disease, and a lot of them have tried different diets. They're exercising, and some people don't, but a lot of people do, and they don't get anywhere. So the thing that is tied to all of these things is your circadian rhythm. And this research paper, it really tells us that when you are out of harmony, when your internal environment, so meaning all your cells, your organs, but when your internal environment is out of harmony with your external environment, then you significantly increase your risk for heart disease and these other diseases. So the external environment, that has a cycle. That's the sun. Every morning the sun rises, and then in the evening the sun sets. And those frequencies from the sun, they set your internal clock, your circadian rhythm, your biological clock. And that is set by the light that goes into your eye. So you've got your central clock, which is your supracosmatic nucleus. Then that goes and sets all the other clocks in your body, and you have trillions of them. Because every single cell in your body has what's called a CCG, a circadian clock gene, which is set by your supracosmatic nucleus. And the thing that we know from some other research is the supracosmatic nucleus is much slower to change and adapt to a different environment, let's say you're a night shift worker, than all these other clocks in your cells and in your organs. So they change much quicker, and when that happens, your body goes into a disharmony. It breaks harmony, and that creates inflammation, which increases your risk for these different diseases. So what you want to be doing is every morning, the first light that goes in your eyes, you want that to be from the sun. So if you're waking up before the sunrise, which I pretty much always do, except for in the summer solstice when the sun's up at rising around 5:30 where I live. But normally when I wake up, it's still dark, so I put on my blue blocking glasses. So I am getting light, but no blue light is getting in my eyes, because blue light is what sets your circadian rhythm. So when I'm up in the morning, I'm wearing my blue blocking glasses, and I take them off when the sun is starting to rise, or before the sun rises. And I'm looking out towards the horizon, waiting for the sun to come up, and I watch the sunrise, which sets my circadian rhythm. I'm getting that natural sunlight on my skin, so everything is in harmony with nature, which really helps me to stay healthy. This improves my immune system, my energy, focus, everything that's important to living a good life and being productive and being present with your family, all these different things. Then at night, and throughout the day, I'm getting exposure to the sun too. And then at night, once the sun sets, I'm putting my blue blocking glasses back on so I can keep my body in harmony. I'm also covering my skin, because your skin also has photoreceptors, and when different frequencies of light hit your sun, such as blue light, artificial blue light in your home, that has an impact on your circadian rhythm. That creates inflammation, because when you get blue light from these artificial light sources, it's not accompanied with red and infrared light, which is anti-inflammatory. So you don't have that balance. You don't have the offset that you get when you get blue light from the sun. So make sure every morning you're watching the sunrise. You're getting that stimulus in your eye. So everything in your body is sync. This is going to help you be a lot healthier. This is going to decrease your risk for all these different chronic diseases that are so prevalent today. It's going to increase your immunity. Throughout the day, you want to be getting sunlight, especially this time of year. It's spring, so the sun is getting stronger. There is more UVB light in the sun, which means you can make more vitamin D, which makes your immune system that much more effective. So this benefits you in so many different ways. So make sure this is a part of your health regimen. It goes beyond diet and exercise. Yes, you want to be eating healthy foods. Yes, you want to be exercising, preferably outside, but you want to be doing these other things in addition. You want to be keeping your body and your rhythms in sync with nature. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can ask below. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and I'll see you real soon on a new video. Oh yeah, one more thing. So if you don't already have your own blue blocking glasses, there's a link below for premium blue blocking lenses. These are a very high quality lens, and they're the brand I use and recommend. So make sure you're protecting your circadian rhythm and keeping your body in harmony with nature. Now, I'll also put a link to a cheaper pair if you're not ready for that level of investment, which is well worth it. But I'll put a link for a $10 pair you can get from Amazon. They're not as stylish. The quality's not the same, but they are going to help you improve if you don't have anything right now. So just get something, get started, make sure you are protecting your circadian rhythm, protecting your vision, because blue light at night causes inflammation in the eye. And over time, it causes degeneration of your eye. The eye is a part of the brain. So you want to protect the eye, because degeneration of the eye leads to degeneration of the brain. Not a good thing. So thanks again for checking this out, and I will see you real soon.